Assalamu alaikum, dear students. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Students, if you are new here, please do subscribe my YouTube channel. Click the bell icon. And if you have any question, you can send us via email in the comment section. We will solve and send to you. And email is given in the description of this video. First of all, today I will share the question with you. The question is, what is the area? What is the area of an equilateral triangle whose inscribed circle has radius 2? So we are given here, we are given an equilateral triangle. You know that the equilateral triangle has all three angles are equal and all three sides are equal. This is basically our equilateral triangle, and here we are given a circle of radius 2. So here the circle has r is equal to 2. And we want to find the area of this triangle, and here we have option. This question is given in the PSC 221 AJK PSC lectural mathematics 221 test. Many time it will be in the test of FPSC of lectural mathematics and GRE international. Okay, we will solve this, and first of all I will give you the proof of this general theorem. So how we can find the area if radius will be changed, then how you can find the area of this triangle. First of all, I will make an equilateral triangle here in front of you. Here I will make an equilateral triangle. Okay, we will make an equilateral triangle. This is another side of the equilateral triangle. So we will solve this. Okay, this is our equilateral triangle. Okay, now we will make a circle inside of this equilateral triangle, and here we have a circle of radius 2. First of all, we will take its radius r, because we are doing the general theorem. So we will make a circle of radius r. Okay, now we will label this. Okay, here we are given this is the origin of the this circle and center of the triangle. Now we will make we will draw the intercept from, for example, here we are this angle. Here if we'll draw this like this, and then okay, now see here we are given an equilateral triangle, and here we have A, B, and C. You know that if we are given an equilateral triangle, it's mean we are given equilateral triangle. It's mean measure angle A is equal to measure angle B is equal to measure angle C is equal to 60 degree. So the total sum is equal to 1 by 80. Now we will solve only this triangle first of all. It's mean that if the whole angle is 60 degree, so the half of angle is 30 degree, and here you are given that this is the 90 degree angle, and from this is the O, and we call this D point, and you know that OD is equal to R. Okay, students, first of all, OD is equal to R, and CD is altitude of the triangle. Altitude of the triangle. First of all, we will solve, and you know that OD is R. OD is equal to R, which is the radius we take. Radius of the circle is R. This is R, and here the D is the center of A and B, and you know that AD is equal to DB. Okay, this is the center, and OD is the radius of this circle, which is equal to R. Now solve this triangle. Solve the triangle. Which triangle? We take triangle AOD. AOD. I will spot it this here. We will solve this triangle. This one triangle. Okay. Here, for solving this, you know that we will use the formula tan of, all of you know that tan of 30-degree angle is equal to OD over AD. OD is R and AD is the hypotenuse. So we want to find the value of AD. AD is equal to tan of 30-degree over, not over, this will be equal to OD over tan of 30-degree. OD is equal to R and tan of 30-degree is equal to 1 by square root of 3. I will write here tan of 30-degree is equal to 1 by square root of 3. So the value of AD is equal to square root of 3 R. Okay, it's mean that we have find the value of AD. So now the next step is we have to find the value of AD is equal to square root of 3R. So if AD is equal to R square root of 3, it's mean that AB is equal to 2AD, because here we have the center point D, this is A and this is B. So AD is equal to DB, and if they are both equal, then we multiply by 2. 2 AD is equal to square root of 3R. So we get the value of AB. Okay, this will be done. The another thing will be done. Now we will find the value of altitude, CD. Okay, how we will find this value of altitude? If we know the value of altitude, then we easily find the area of this triangle. Now we solve the triangle ACD. Now we solve the other triangle. Solving triangle ACD. When we solve this triangle, I will make the figure of this triangle. Here we have this type of triangle A, this is our C, and this is our D. You know the value of AD. Value of AD is equal to square root of 3R, and this angle is of 90-degree, and this angle is of 60-degree, and this angle is of 30-degree. Okay, now using this same formula, tan of 60-degree is equal to CD over AD. Okay, tan of 60-degree is equal to CD over AD, perpendicular into base. So we want the value of CD. So CD is equal to AD multiplied by tan of 60-degree. So this will be equal to value of CD is equal to, AD is value is square root of 3R, and the value of tan of 60-degree. Tan of 60-degree is equal to square root of 3. Okay, we get 3R. It's mean that we have find the another value, important value, which is CD. So the value of CD is equal to 3R. It is important for us. Now you know that we have the value of CD. We also have the value of AB. We have the value of CD, altitude of the triangle. We have the value of AB. Now it's easy to find the area of the triangle. And you know that we use the simple formula for the equilateral triangle, which is equal to area of triangle is equal to 1 by 2 into base cross height, which is equal to 1 by 2 into base. Base, you know that base of the triangle is AB, and AB is equal to 2 square root of 3R, which is equal to 2 square root of 3R, and the height is 3R. So we get this 2 cancel with this 2. So we get 3 square root of 3R ka square, area of this triangle. Okay, this is the important formula for us. Okay, students. Now we will use this formula to find the solution of our question. In our case, if radius is equal to 2, so area of equilateral triangle is equal to 3 square root of 3 R ka square 2 ka square and 3 square root of 3 into 4, which is equal to 4 3s are 12 square root of 3. So the correct option in our case, we will see here the option 12 square root of 3. This is the correct option in our case. Students, if you have any question, you will ask us anytime. Please do subscribe my YouTube channel and click the bell icon. Thank you.